Good morning, students. Now, today we will start the second chapter of English literature. Do you know, students? There was a time when dogs used to live in forests like wolves. They did not have masters. They look out here and there for food. But there was one dog who did not like this. So he decided to find for himself a master. So let's read and find out how did the dog find himself a master. But before that, let me discuss some difficult words with you. So our first word is ill-pleased, which means not happy. For example, the food you do not like that makes you ill-pleased, or someone's way of life that makes you ill-pleased because you do not like it. Now move to the second word, that is kinsman, which means relative, especially a male person. That can be uncle, nephew, cousin, etc. Now move to the third word, that is darted, which means moved quickly or fast. Now the Hindi meaning of the word is tez tez chalna. Now move to the fourth word, that is come over you, which means affected you, something that has an effect on you और जिसका प्रभाव आप पर पड़े. Now the fifth word is dared, which means to be brave enough to do something. So the Hindi meaning of the word is himmat. Now let's talk about the sixth word, that is cliff, which means a steep high rock, खड़ी और ऊंची चट्टान. Now the seventh word is fierce, which means violent or frightening, खूंखार और डराने वाला. Now the eighth one, that is take up service with, which is a phrase that means to become the servant of someone, यानी कि किसी का नौकर बनना. Now let's start reading the story. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way the wolves do, in freedom. एक समय की बात है, जो डॉग्स थे वो अपने ही मालिक हुआ करते थे और वो वैसे ही रहते थे जैसे कि वुल्व्स रहते थे, यानी कि आज़ादी से. Until a dog was born who was not happy with his way of life. जब तक कि एक डॉग पैदा नहीं हुआ जो कि ऐसी लाइफ से बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं था. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself looking for food. वो हमेशा ही परेशान और दुखी रहता था इस बात से कि उसे इधर उधर घूमना पड़ेगा for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. It means वो हमेशा ही डरा डरा सा रहता था उन जानवरों से जो कि उससे काफ़ी ताकतवर थे. He thought it over. उसने काफ़ी सोचा and he decided that the best thing if he become the servant of the one who was stronger than anyone on earth. So he set out to find himself a master. तो वो मास्टर ढूंढने के लिए चल पड़ा. He walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. वो चलता रहा और फिर जाकर उसको अपना ही एक रिश्तेदार मिला जो कि था एक बिग वुल्फ, जो कि जितना ही खूंखार था उतना ही ताकतवर भी था. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I'm looking for someone to take service with. मैं किसी ऐसे को ढूंढ रहा हूँ जिसके लिए मैं काम कर सकूँ. Would you like to be my master, wolf? क्या तुम मेरे मालिक बनोगे, wolf? I don't see why not. हाँ क्यों नहीं, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. The wolf said. And this agreed upon and two of them went on together. जो वुल्फ था वो उसकी बात से सहमत हो गया था and they started walking together. They walked and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, moved quickly off the path, went into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. वो काफ़ी समय तक एक साथ चलते रहे. Then all of a sudden क्या हुआ कि जो वुल्फ था उसने अपना नाक ऊपर उठाया, सूंघा और घबराहट में इधर उधर भागने लग गया और फिर अंत में झाड़ियों के अंदर चला गया. द डॉग वॉज मच सरप्राइज. ये देखकर जो डॉग था वो बहुत ही हैरान हो गया. What's come over you, master? What has frightened you so? He asked. अब जो डॉग था वो वुल्फ से पूछते कि क्या हुआ मास्टर, आप इतना घबरा क्यों रहे हो, डर किससे रहे हो? Can't you see there's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me? क्या तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा, वहाँ एक भालू है जो कि हम दोनों को मार कर खा सकता है? Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to become his servant. जैसे कि वो देखता है कि जो भालू है वो वुल्फ से काफी ताकतवर है, the dog decided to become the servant of the bear. So he asked the bear to become his master. The bear agreed to this and said, जो भालू था वो उसकी बात से सहमत हो जाता है और कहता है, Let's go and find a herd of cows. चलो चलते हैं और गाय के एक झुंड को ढूंढते हैं. I will kill a cow. मैं उनमें से एक गाय को मार दूंगा और then we can both eat it. और फिर हम उसको खा सकते हैं. Now let's recall the story with the help of some questions. So our first question is, what sort of life did dogs live a long time ago? Yes. Dogs were once their own masters. They moved out freely like wolves. Now let's move to the question number 2. Who did he first choose as his master? Very good. The dog first chose a wolf as his master. Now let's talk about the question number 3. Why did he leave the wolf? Very good. He found the wolf was afraid of the bear, so he left the company of the wolf. Now move to the question number 4. Who did he choose next? Very good. He chose the bear to be his next master. Now let's get back and see what happened next. They walked on and soon they saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. वो दोनों चलते जा रहे थे पर जैसे ही वे दोनों गाय के झुंड के पास पहुंचे वे अचानक से रुक गए क्योंकि उनको बहुत ही भयंकर सी आवाज सुनाई दी थी. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. जो गाय थी वो जोर जोर से आवाजें निकालने लग गई और घबरा कर इधर उधर भागना शुरू हो गई. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. जो भालू था वो भी पीछे से पेड़ के छुपकर देखता है और वो भी डर कर जंगल के अंदर भाग जाता है. Now the dog asked, Why did I have to come here? अब डॉग पूछता है कि मुझे यहाँ आने की क्या ज़रूरत है. He replied, It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. यह शेर है जो कि जंगल के इन पार्ट पर राज करता है. The lion, who's he? शेर वो कौन होता है? Don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth? तुम्हें नहीं पता ये जंगल का सबसे ताकतवर जानवर है? Well then I will say goodbye to you. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. फिर उसको अलविदा कहकर शेर के पास चला जाता है because he wanted a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. And the dog went to lion and asked him to be his master. अब जो डॉग है वो लायन के पास जाता है और उससे पूछता है कि क्या तुम मेरे मास्टर बन सकते हो. The lion agreed to it. जो लायन है वो मान जाता है. And the dog stayed with him for a long time. It was a good life as he had nothing to complain of. बड़ी अच्छी चल रही थी लाइफ क्योंकि उसके पास कुछ भी शिकायत करने के लिए नहीं था. Also he was the servant of the strongest beast in the forest. So no one dared to touch the dog or offend him as everyone was afraid of the lion. It means क्योंकि वो सबसे ताकतवर जानवर का नौकर था इसलिए कोई भी उसको टच करने की या परेशान करने की हिम्मत नहीं करता था. But one day two of them were walking side by side in the forest when all of a sudden the lion stopped. पर एक दिन जब वो जंगल में से जा रहे होते हैं अचानक से लायन जो है वो रुक जाता है. He gave a great roar. वो जोर से गुर्राता है and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such a force that a hole formed there. और अपना पंजा इतनी जोर से जमीन पर दे मारता है कि वहां पर एक छेद हो जाता है। देन ही बिगेन टू मूव बैक क्वाइटली। फिर वो धीरे धीरे पीछे की ओर जाने लग जाता है। What is it, master? Is anything wrong? asked the dog, surprised. अब डॉग उससे हैरान होते हुए पूछता है कि क्या हुआ मास्टर, क्या कुछ गड़बड़ है यहाँ? I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. लायन उसे बताता है कि मैं एक इंसान को इस रास्ते पर से इधर आते हुए सूंघ सकता हूँ। We would better run or we will be in trouble. अच्छा होगा कि हम यहाँ से चले जाएं, नहीं तो हम मुसीबत में फंस जाएंगे। Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. तो मुझे तुम्हें अलविदा कहना होगा लायन, क्योंकि मुझे एक ऐसा मास्टर चाहिए जो कि इस पृथ्वी पर सबसे ताकतवर हो। And the dog went to join the man and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. उस दिन से लेकर आज तक जो डॉग है वो इंसान के साथ ही रह रहा है और वफादारी से उसकी सेवा कर रहा है। This happened long, long ago. But to this day, the dog is the man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. उस दिन से डॉग इंसान का सबसे वफादार नौकर बन गया है और उसका कोई भी और मालिक नहीं बना है। So that's how the dog found himself a master and became a pet animal. Now before ending the video, let's discuss few questions. So my question number 1 is, whom did he finally choose as his master? Very good. He finally chose man as his master. Similarly, move to the question number 2. From whom the bear was afraid of? Yes, the bear was afraid of the lion. Now move to the question number 3. Why did he choose man as his master? Very good. Because man is the most powerful creature on the earth. Even the lion was afraid of the man, so he chose man as his master. So I hope that you will understand this chapter very well. Thank you.